So today we're going to talk about inverse operations. So if somebody gave you 7 plus 8 equals 15, the inverse operation of that would be 15 minus 8 equals 7, or 15 minus 7 equals 8. So you're just taking the whole and you're just taking away either the 8, taking away the 7 to find the other number. So I'll give you another example. What if you had 27 plus 35? And you said that was 62. Okay? Well, so in other words, 62 minus 35 should be 27, so let's make sure it is. So choose keeping a constant difference, so 62 minus 35. So I know this is 5 away from 40. So it's 5 away from 67. 67 minus 47 is 27, so then we know we got it right. So the nice thing with inverse operations is it allows you to check your work to make sure you don't make a calculation error. So let's use another example. What if we had 37, say, plus 52? Let's say somebody said that that was 89. That's a little bit friendlier, because we know 89 minus 52 is 37. So let's do one where you might make a calculation error. An error may happen. So let's say we had say we had 37 plus 58 is 85. Let's say we made that error. We want to check our work. So 85 minus 58 should be 37. Let's see what happens. Let me make this friendly. Let's make this into a 60. Again, keeping a constant difference. So whatever you do to one number, you do to the other. So if I'm going to make that 60, I'd make that 87. 87 minus 60 is 27, not 37. Oh, wow. We made an error. So then we can go back and fix it and say, well, actually, 37 plus 58 should have been 95, because then you can catch your mistake. Again, it just gives you an opportunity to think of how numbers work, and whether you're adding them or subtracting them, whether you're multiplying or dividing. The inverse operation is either addition, the inverse operation is subtraction, subtraction is addition, multiplication is division, division is multiplication. Hopefully this helps, and I enjoy working on these problems.